It's your boy Young Trouble coming at y'all. You know what I'm saying? The cool living in this bitch, man. I just smoked me a fat ass blunt loud, so I'm hungry. And you can probably tell the way I look, man. I'm hungry as fuck. And let's go see what the fuck we got in the house to eat. Fuck it, let's go.
Front door.
Shut up, bitch. Back off. So goddamn. It's been cool, man. Yeah, we're gonna approach the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see what we got in the kitchen. So we got. You can motherfucking see. We got a motherfucking a goddamn a whole bunch of motherfucking nothing. Okay. Like, really? What the fuck can you do with this? Who the fuck does that? What the fuck? Come on now. Really? That's how she felt. Okay. Fuck that shit. Alright. You know, yeah. That's some bullshit ass sodas. That's it. Y'all really fuck them sodas. I want something to eat. So, let's come to this motherfucking pantry. And as we take another motherfucking look, noodles and motherfucking potatoes. You see that shit? Noodles and motherfucking potatoes. What the fuck? And a whole bunch of canned shit that you can't really make shit out of unless you get all the ingredients. We ain't got shit to see. So, I guess a nigga like me, I'm gonna have to give me some noodles today. I'm gonna get the motherfucking chicken. I'm gonna go with chicken. Yeah, y'all fuck with the chicken flavor. I know y'all do. I know y'all real niggas out there fuck with the chicken flavor. So, well, I guess y'all see how it is. You know your boy here coming at you live from the inside. 7204. What's today? December. Nah, my bad. February 7th. Yeah. Coming at y'all. Y'all fuck with me though. Get back on me. I'm gonna make another one of these motherfuckers though.